Now the tricky part, how to update deals with multi-select properties. Here I have this group which was sent to Pipedrive as a deal, and I want to update its status, which is multi-select property. And by the way, this is a good example to show you how you can move the deal through different stages, because this property status we use as a property that represents stages in CRM chat. So let me open this pipeline view. I'll open full screen, and I will move this deal to conversation stage. Now it will be reflected on Pipedrive. Yeah, it was moved. Let's see how it works. Let's go into settings, custom properties. So you see status essentially is just another property which has 3 different options. And I call this option same way as my stages in Pipedrive. The trick and the problem is that Pipedrive doesn't know the name of these stages because it uses stages IDs. Let me show you how the ZAP works, and then I will explain you where you can find these IDs. So here's the ZAP. CRM chat by hints, contact or chat updated. It starts same way as the previous ZAP, where I update simple text field. Then I use this filter type, exactly matches group. Then I use this find deal stage, same way I find it by name. And finally, this tricky step, it's called formatter by Zapier. Here you need to select action event utilities, and in transform field you need to select lookup table. In this lookup table you basically need to map names of stages or names of options of our custom property in CRM chat with relevant IDs in Pipedrive. Here I use lookup key status as my property in CRM chat. On the left, these are options of my status field in CRM chat, lead, conversation, proposal, and these are relevant numbers in Pipedrive. They not necessarily go in this order 1, 2, 3. They can be trickier. The only way I know how you can find these numbers is to open your API documentation. Here you can just copy paste my URL, put your API key, and you will see all the IDs of your stages. So in my case, ID 1, name lead, ID 2, name conversation, ID 3, name proposal. So I mapped them in this order, and then the next step, I am updating the deal. So the action event is update deal. Here I am passing the ID from the step, find deal, ID. And finally, when I need to update the stage, I need to pass the output from the step, this one, formatted by Zapier, output. I know it's complicated, but the logic goes this way. We found the deal in Pipedrive, then we changed the stage of this deal in CRM chat, but Pipedrive doesn't know our names. It can't map our names of the stages with its names. To do this, we add this extra step where we map names of options in our property called status with relevant numbers in Pipedrive. And by doing so, we pass this information into Pipedrive. Finally, when we update the deal, we take the output from the previous step, which will be a number, and just pass it here. I know it's complicated, so there will be another video with another example where I'm updating a multi-select field.